evening, all of you. So in today's class, we will see the different models. Already we have studied so many kinds of NDSC questions. So now today we will see a few more different types of NDSC questions, so that we can practice. Like just we can come to know the awareness of the what type of questions may possibilities. That is. So this is the first question. Please all of you start reading the question and answer the question. So they are saying that how many numbers from 1 to 100 means you have to take the numbers 1 to 100 are there in each of which is exactly divisible by 6. That number should be exactly divisible by 6, but also contains 6 as a digit in it. Can you able to say, please, all of you? It must be divisible by 6, and also that number should contains also 1 6. That is what it is saying. Can you able to say how many? Like the total number, how many numbers are there from 1 to 100? Huh? So as you know that it is exactly divisible by 6. Means in the sense of which table, Ra? Which table?
6 table only, sir.
You can
table, sir.
36. Tell me 6 table.
First write 6 to 12.
6, 12, 36.
12, 18,
Very good. Sorry. 6, 12, 18,
18, 24,
36.
36,
Fastly you can say. In Excel you can do. 42,
48,
48,
8,
54,
54,
50,
60,
66. Next 72, 78,
72, 78,
84, 90 plus 96.
90.
Correct or not?
90, 90,
Sir, 4. Sir, 4.
9,
92, 98.
92 or 84.
No, 90.
78,
So now you observe, this is what the 9 table, correct or not, Amma? No, sorry, this is what the 6 table. So now you observe, these all the numbers are exactly divisible by 6, but that number also should contain 6. So how many numbers are there? Count it fastly.
6 and 66, sir. 36 also, sir.
And as well as, sorry, this
66,
number.
sir.
6, 36. Next one, 60,
66, 96,
60,
96.
96.
How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Totally how many?
5,
Sir,
5
how
numbers,
sir
sir.
60 will come? It is last digit is 0 only, sir.
Which
10
one?
star, 6
Any
and
1 6 is present. They are saying that, but also contains 6 as a digit in it. That's all. Understand, Nitinath?
Yes, sir.
6 must be present. That's all. So how many are there?
5.
5 is there. So what is the answer? This. You understand?
5, sir.
All of you? So they are asking that how many numbers from 1 to 100 are there, each of which is exactly divisible by 6, means 6 table. And but also contains what? 6 as a digit in it. So that we no need to write in exam. Directly we can go. 6 1 ja 6, 6 6 ja 36, next 6 10 ja 60, next 6 11 ja 66, next where? Directly 6 19s, I think. Correct, Ra? 6 17s are 17s or 8 19s are 6 18s, I think. 18s are only, correct. Where it will come 96, Ra? 11 12 13 14 15 16, correct or not? No, 16 5s are 80, 16 5s are 80, and 16 6s are how much? 96. That is
96.
So like that, totally 5 numbers you can write it directly in mind itself. You can calculate and you can choose the answer 5. Is it okay, all of you?
Sir, there will be more than 5 also, no, sir. For this, we can write 7 itself, no.
1 to 100, Padmavarshini. 1 to
Oh,
100.
okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Forget that.
Okay, sir.
That is the first condition. From
Okay,
1
sir.
to 100 only
Yes,
they are
sir.
asking. From 1 to 100, how many numbers are divisible by 6? But that number also should contain 6. That is what they are asking. So how many?
For example, 5.
Five.
5.
Suppose you take all of you. You take 5. 5 to 1 to 100. For example, you take 5 table. You tell me 1 to 100. How many numbers are divisible by 5? And also that number should contain 5. At least. So 5, 10,
50.
15, 20,
50 numbers, sir.
30, 30,
Numbers.
25,
35,
45,
50,
50, 55,
60,
70,
65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 90, 95.
Correct?
Sir, 9.
So now you can check it how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 numbers are there, which is divisible by 5, and also they contains what? They contains 5 as a
5
digit.
in them.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 50. Sir, 50,
also, no,
sir.
sir.
50 also will come.
50, very good. 50 also will come. Sorry.
Yes,
50 also will come. So totally 11. Very good. So 11 numbers will be coming. Do you understanding all of you? Like this, how to do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now, same way I
Yes,
will
sir.
Yes, sir.
same question few times. How it will come means only the 6 should contains in a unit place. Then how many numbers are there? You tell me. They must be divisible by 6, and 6 also contains in a unit place. Instead of digit, 6 as a digit in unit place I will give you.
Or last.
Unit place. Unit place means how many numbers now? Check it all of you.
Sir,
Unit,
5.
unit place. How many? Unit place means
5. 5, sir.
5 how a unit place ra? 6, 36, next one 60 won't come because unit place 0 is there. How it will come? 66 unit place and 96. Only how many numbers will come?
4 numbers.
4 numbers will come. Do you understand all of you? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Unit place they are asking you. Tarani, very good Tarani. Understand? Yes or no? Now, instead of unit, they will say in the 10th place. In the 10th place, the 6 digit must be in the 10th place. Then how many numbers? In the 10th place, only 6 should be present. Only one number. Correct or not?
That is 6.
One number not. 2 numbers is there. 60 and 66. Have you noticed?
Sir, but for this question, answer is 5 only, no, sir.
This question answer is 5. I'm saying the question will change like this also. In digit,
Okay,
understand,
sir.
6 as a digit in unit place. Unit place means 4 is the answer. 6 as a digit in only 10th place. 10th place means how many are there? You check it. How many are there? 10th place. 60 and 66.
One.
Correct or not? 60 and
okay,
66 both. Do you understand in Pranav? Karthikeyan, are you there in meeting? Nitinath, Akshaya? That
Yes,
is
sir.
the like this
Sir.
how to do it. So this is the way of asking question. Do you understanding all of you? Now, for example,
Sir, 96 will come, no, sir.
96 it is a unit place. I'm asking 10th place, not unit place. 10th place.
10th place.
Tens ra tens. Tens means this is correct, right? This is unit place and this is
Yes,
10th
sir. Yes,
place.
sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now suppose you tell
Yes,
me
sir.
all of you. Let me see who will say fastly. In 1 to 100, the number which will divisible by 5, and also the 5 should be at unit place. 5 digits should be unit place. How many are there?
50 and 55.
Unit place. Unit place.
Not
unit
tens
place.
place.
Not in tens place. Unit place. I am asking. Unit place.
Nine.
Where 5 is there. How many are
Nine.
there?
9.
9. Check it. 1.
10,
This is 0, 5.
10,
Right
sir.
or not? Yeah, you
10.
can do like this.
Cross.
Unit place. Unit place.
Sir, 10,
Unit
10.
place.
Sir, 10.
10, sir.
Unit place.
10,
Unit
sir.
place. Unit place.
sir.
This is not unit place.
This is not unit place. This won't come. So
Except 50.
yeah, except 50. 10 will come. Do you understand? Now
How, sir, 50 will not come?
50 is in 10th place, correct? Ma, unit place 0 is
Okay,
there.
sir.
5
Okay,
0.
sir.
Understand? Now you can check
Okay, sir.
only in 10th place. 10th place, you check it now. How many numbers are there?
5 in only 10th place.
Tens, not 0th place. 0 not 10th place. How many are there? How many are there?
10.
Sir, 2.
10th place only 2. 50 and 55. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
All of you, do you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
10th place.
Yes.
10th place means house.
What, Ra?
So 10th place means house.
10th place means you check Ra here.
10th place.
This is unit place and this is 10th place. This is unit place and this is 10th place. So 10th place except here.
What is the place value of
Place
5?
value of 5, Ra. Place value of 5, how much? 5 into 10, which is equals to 50, correct? Understand? That is place value.
Sir,
Place
sound
value here. What?
Sir, if 7 means 70 and 75, yes, sir.
That's all.
77.
We cannot check somewhere some other number also come. Multiple tables depend upon tables. Understand?
Okay, sir.
That we cannot check it. That is what I'm saying. Do you understand all of you this question, Akshaya? So for the given question is here, answer is 5. But From this, we have developed totally 4 questions, correct or not? One is for unit place, one is for 10th place, one is for normal 6 digit, and also for 5 also we have checked it. So we have seen different examples. So whatever the way of asking question, depend upon the requirement, you have to do it. Do you understand? That is. So now let us go for next question. This is a very important question. This kind of question definitely will come in our exam. Is it okay, Ra? Now, all of you observe very carefully. This is the question that all of you read this question. 53 and 55. 3 questions based upon this is only. This is the information it has been. Now you have to understand the question. I will give the questions
These
based
are
upon
like
this.
puzzles.
Puzzles this is. So you check it, all of you. Totally how many persons are there? A, B, C, D and E. Correct or not? Yes or no?
First read all of you.
All of you read the question. Let me say the question. You have to think. This is the question. Please all of you read. Read the question, all of you. Have you completed? Please tell me.
1 minute, sir. 1
Completed, sir.
There is 5%, sir.
Karthikeyan, your voice is not audible. Arvind, are you understand this question, Arvind? Nitinath, Dilipan, hey, speaker Dilipan, why are you silent?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you tell me what you understand.
Sir.
Yeah, Karthikeyan. Oh, Karthikeyan, your voice is more not clear.
NBSC tough questions are puzzles and seating arrangement.
Okay, now you observe very carefully what they are saying. So we have totally 5 persons. 5 persons are there, A, B, C, D, E. So A, B, C are tall. Correct or not? A, B, C are?
All.
Next. A, D,
A, D, and E are educated.
Educated. Educated. D, C,
D, C, and E are urban.
urban. Next, A, B, E are
A,
urban.
B, E are
Hardworking.
Now, let us go to the question. What is the first question means? This is what the first question. All of you do it. Which of the following person is neither educated nor hardworking? That is my first question. A, C, D, E options.
C. C,
A,
sir.
C, D options. A, C, D is the options.
C is the option, sir. C is the
A,
answer.
D is the option. So out of these persons, who is neither educated nor hardworking? So you check it. Educator and hardworking. Educator and hardworking. See, you can check it. Educator A, D, E.
Cancel ADE.
Cancel, you can check it. A, D, E, you can cancel. Here also you can
Sir,
see
B.
A, D, E, you can get
Sir, B.
cancelled. Who is remaining?
C only.
C is only. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
You understanding
Yes,
now?
sir.
Both. Which of the following persons is neither educated nor hardworking? Do you understanding all of you? Means
And hardworking.
he is not belongs to the educated, not belongs to the hardworking. Who is that? He is not belongs to the both. Who is the person? Definitely C only.
C,
Correct or
sir.
not?
C.
Yes, sir.
Hardworking also you can cancel. This is the
You can check it hardworking. See, hardworking also you can check it. A is there, E is there. Understanding?
B, A, B, C, B.
B is not there. This is A only. Understanding? A, E is there. E is there. But D is in what? Educator. They are asking both neither nor. So neither nor means it is what? Only C. Correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That is.
Yes, sir.
That is the answer. That is the first question. Now second question. Which of the following persons is neither urban nor educated, but in hardworking? Which of the following person is neither urban nor educated, but in hardworking? Hardworking.
A.
He is
No,
in
sir. No, sir. B, sir.
which
B,
of the
can you
following
show?
person? Which
First
of the,
write A to E. All of you.
all of you write A to E.
A, B,
Don't get confused. A to E. Check it. He must be in hardworking. A,
B.
B, C,
D, sir. D answer.
Now you check it. Wait. He must be in hardworking. So who is not there in hardworking? You can check it.
First, hardworking persons are A, B, E.
Hardworking persons are who is hardworking?
A, B, E. So consider A, B,
A,
E.
Do you understand it?
A, B, sir.
Yeah. A, B is the
Yes, sir.
hardworking persons. They must be in
Sir,
hardworking
B. Sir,
persons.
answer B.
So A, B, E. They must be in hardworking persons. So definitely answer may be a, answer may be a B, answer may be a E. But
A,
they are
B,
saying
C
that
and D.
you wait. So answer, we are eliminating C and D. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Now you check
Yes,
it.
sir.
This ABE, somebody who is not, neither belongs to urban nor
Sir,
educated.
B. B.
So who is there?
Sir,
Check it.
B.
Educated and urban. Who is not there? A, D is there. D, C, E is there. But we want A and E. Who is
Sir.
not there? A and E both are there. A and E
B.
both are there. Who is not there?
B option.
B only.
B
B.
option. So who is the correct answer?
B only.
Neither urban nor educated, but he is a hardworking. His answer is B. Correct or
B.
not? Do you understand or not, all of you?
Yes,
These are
sir.
actually very easy questions, but you have to think logically. Is it okay? Clear? All of you, any doubt? Akshaya, Prasini, Yalini, are you there? Meeting. Respond. Tarani also. Next question. Which of the person is either tall, or hardworking? Either tall, either tall or hardworking. Either, not neither.
Sir, A and B.
Either,
A and B.
either I am asking. You can check it. Either. Here you can check it. This is the question. So 4 options also I am giving you. Either I am giving you. You can check it.
First write A, B, C, D.
You can check it. Which of the following person is either I am asking. Either, not neither. Either means what? They all belongs to tall. That is what you have to check it. Either tall or hardworking. Hardworking or tall. You can check it.
Like
Sir,
union.
A, B, C, E, sir.
A, B, C, E.
A, B, C, E.
How you
Yes,
get?
sir.
Can you able to say? Because either.
Sir, in tall we have.
Yes, A, B,
Yes,
C
sir.
is there. And also A, B, E is there. Means they are either tall or else either hardworking. Correct or not?
Union.
Union it
Yes,
is.
sir.
Yes or no? So which option is
Like
correct?
LCM.
sir.
LCM.
Yeah, A, B, C, E, A, B, D, A, B, C, D are all. Who is that? Which option? Either are they are saying means they may be belongs to tall or they may be belongs to hardworking. So who is that? A, B, C, E. These all correct or not? So D is not there. D is wrong. So A, B, C, E, they are belongs to either tall or what wrong? Or
Hardworking.
they are
Hardworking.
hardworking. Do you understanding all of you? So which option is correct here? First option.
First option.
Like that we have to do it. Understand, Prasini? Respond me. Akshaya? Okay, very good. So now it is clear, sir. Okay, Karthikeya. You can speak. This is what the answer. Have you understand or not, Yalini? Okay. That is, Dilipan is not at all responding. I don't know what he is doing. This is what. Now one question madam will say. So this question also the same way, direction questions. So now let us see who will say the answer first.
Question also.
So all of you read the question. Read the question first.
All of you read question. Five boys, P, Q, R, S, T took a part in a race. How many persons? Total 5%.
5%.
1,
5%.
2, 3, 4, 5%. There, P, Q,
P,
R,
Q,
R, S, T.
and T.
okay, and R finished the race. R finished before T. Means who is first? R finished before T. Who is first?
R
R
is
T.
R.
First, correct?
R is first.
R is first, next T. This is one condition. Next, but behind S. It means R is behind
R
S.
finished
R
after
is
S.
behind S. So who is first in R and S?
S.
S is first. Means before. First is S, after R. So first S, next R. Do you understand this one? R is finished before T. In these two cases, R and T cases, first is R. Next, R finished but behind S. R finished
That
behind S.
means R, T, S only, ma'am, will come.
Understood? This one. First
Yes,
one.
ma'am, understood.
Next, see next statement. P finish before Q.
You communicate,
T,
yeah.
T,
What is
ma'am.
happening?
E, ma'am. E, ma'am.
PQ, ma'am.
PQ. But behind T.
Behind T, yes, ma'am.
Behind T.
Who is
EPQ.
behind
T is
EPQ.
after
P,
T,
Q.
ma'am.
EPQ.
P
T
is
is
P,
after
Q.
after
T.
T, correct? Where T we have? This one. T after we have
Last, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. T, PQ.
Q.
P and Q.
This is the arrangement. Okay?
Now, what is the question means? First question is, who won the race? They are asking. Who won the race? Ra?
Who on the
Yes,
race?
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Not
Yes.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Or yes, you are saying what? I am not understand. Who won the race?
Yes, only.
Sir, R and P, R and P.
R and V. What are you talking, Ra? Who won the race, Ra? Who is in first? They will be
Winner,
in the
winner.
race. Who won the
Yes.
Who won the race?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now who lost the race?
Last place.
Last
Q.
place.
Q.
Q.
Middle,
sir.
middle place.
Who is in the middle?
Exactly middle.
T.
Exactly
T.
middle.
Exactly middle.
T.
T. Like that they will ask you. Now suppose see. Few times that they will twist the question. Who is in the third place? Who is in the second place? Who is in the fourth place? Or else who is in the second from last? They will ask you. Who is in the second from first? They will ask you. Depend upon the question, you have to do it. But arrangement is most important. Now how madam has started. Once again, madam will teach the arrangement. Observe all of you again. Now check it. Now read the first and you do it again. All of you read the first statement. What they are saying?
5 boys.
5 boys. Q,
before
R, S, T.
P,
But
Q,
behind
R,
is-
S, and T. To
Took
keep
part in a race.
5 persons. So we have 5 persons. And first R finished before T. Who is first? R finished before T.
R.
R only. Okay, R finished before T. Next, but behind S.
But T. Before T, but behind S.
R is behind S. Who is first in R and S case? R and S case. R finished before behind S.
Who is in first? R finished before T, but behind S. Means who is in first? Who is leading?
Sir. Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yes, yes.
S. Next, P finished before Q. Who is first? P finished before Q.
PQ, ma'am. PQ.
The first, next Q. Okay, but behind T. Who is behind T? P. Correct. P is behind T. Who is
Behind T.
first in P and T?
T is in first.
T is in first.
T is first, ma'am.
So join these two relations. S, Q, S, R, T. T after P and Q.
That's
Correct?
all.
This is the our arrangement.
You understand, Ra? All of you, you understand or not this sum?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like this you have to solve. It is just an arrangement. But exam, they will ask you who won the race, who lost the race, who is first from
Suppose
last.
R and T interchanging their position. Who is first? R and S and T. S
R.
and T.
R.
S and T
S and
interchanging
T,
their
yes.
positions. Who will win?
Yes.
Who won the match?
Ray, S and T interchanging the positions.
Sir,
Now S
R.
will become
T
T.
is the winner, sir.
T.
Ah.
T.
S will become T, T will become S. Then who will win the race? T only, correct?
T,
That's all.
T only, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
they will give it. So arranging properly, then only you can answer it. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Copy.
Shall we do now? Next one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now all of you read these instructions. Based upon these instructions only we are going to solve. All of you read these instructions. These are the instructions. What is this? Note it down, all of you. They are saying that if minus means what? Ra? If minus means what? Minus means
Minus
what?
means
Minus means it will become what?
subtraction.
Multiplication. Next, multiplication means what?
Addition.
Multiplication means addition. Next, addition means what?
Division.
Addition means what? Division. Next, division means what?
Subtraction.
Division means subtraction. That is what you have to do. Now, first question is, observe very carefully all of you. Write the first question. First question, 8 plus 4 minus 3. This is the first question. Please all of you write. This is the first question. So what is the answer? Check it all of you. What is the answer? Now you check it. Madam will solve this. What they are saying, you see. First, what they are saying, observe carefully.
Sorry.
So 8 plus will become what? Plus will become what?
8 plus 4
7, sir.
minus
Seven is the
3
answer.
into 2 divided by 1. Okay, here plus means what?
Plus means what?
Plus means division.
Plus means division.
Divide 4.
Plus means division.
Divide 4
Okay,
Plus
division.
means division.
into 3.
Next,
Minus
Into
means what?
Into
Into ma'am.
Into
by 3.
3.
Multiplication.
Multiplication means
3 plus 2 plus
plus 2.
division means
Division
minus
means
minus 1.
minus 1.
Minus and 7 is the answer.
Minus 1.
DODM.
Yes,
Seven is the
divide.
answer.
Which is first? Which operation is first? Which operation? Division, multiplication.
Division, ma'am. Division.
Division.
8 divided by 4, 2.
First
2 into
division,
3,
correct?
8 divided by 2.
Division,
Plus
next
2, 8 minus
multiplication,
1,
next
7.
addition, next subtraction.
With
First
8.
division. So 8 divided with 4. Write as it is remaining. 3 plus 2 minus 1. How many times? 4 and 8.
2 times.
4
Two
ones are
times.
4 twos are. It is 2 into 3.
Plus 2 minus 1.
2 into 3 plus 2 minus 1. Which operation is first? In
Multiplication.
2 into 3, ma'am.
plus
6
minus.
plus 2 minus 1.
So multiplication, correct? 2 6 are how much? 2
ma'am.
6.
3 2s are 6.
2 3s are 6 plus 2 minus 1. Next which operation?
One.
Plus
Addition.
Addition.
6 plus 2, 8.
8 minus 1.
Is equal to 7.
7 is the answer. Correct or not? So same way.
7 ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you done? Like these questions also, 5 questions will come out totally. How many?
Based on the Bodmas rule.
Based on
5 questions.
you will get 5 questions in exam. But exam definitely we will do mistake because I know that we are in such a hurry. Definitely we will commit mistakes. So finally for this question you have got 6. Correct? Next question you write. Next question. 12 into 8 plus 2. 12 into 8. Second question. 12 into 8 plus 2 minus 4 divided by 6, which is equals to how much? Fastly. Let me see who will do first. You should take less than 10-20 seconds. Then only. Dilipane, you are not all speaking anything. So now you first multiply the signs. So you can check it. Plus 2 minus 4.
Sorry, 34.
Now wait. No, wrong. 12 multiplication will become what? Check up. Multiplication will become what? Plus. Correct or not? Yes or no? 8. Plus will become what? All
Sir,
of you
22 is the answer, sir.
wrong.
22.
22 is correct. Plus will become what? Plus will become division. Correct or not? Next. Minus will become what? Minus will become multiplication. Next. Multiplication and division will become minus. Yes or no? Now you check it. Bodmas rule. First which one?
Division.
Division. Correct or not?
Division.
First division, sir.
Now you check it. So 2 ones are 2 4s are. Correct or not? So 12 plus 4 4s are how much? 16. minus 6.
First add plus
12
1.
plus 16 is 28, sir. 28 minus
Yeah,
6.
12 plus 16, how much?
28.
28.
28.
28
Minus
minus 6,
6
which is
equal
equal
to
to how much?
Equal to 20.
22.
22.
Somebody said 30. Do you understand or not? 22 is the answer. Any doubt,
In
anybody?
option 30 also there.
So show that x in is equal to minus 30.
Minus?
Sir, show that formula, sir. We write now.
Formulas you have to
Yes, sir.
remember. First itself I said correct. Minus will become multiplication. Multiplication will become addition. Addition will become division. Division will become minus. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this question I will give you. You do it. Now, this question you do it. And which one is correct, you have to verify and you tell me directly. This sum. Let me see who will say fastly. Which is correct? Fastly you have to do it and you have to tell me fast. Anybody answer? This much time? Fastly you can check it. First one. Minus means division. Minus means they are saying that division. Next one. Plus means they are saying multiplication. Next one. Division means they are saying minus.
First one wrong, sir.
Next multiplication means they are
You
saying
can check
plus.
the second.
First one is wrong. Which one is correct? We have to find. First one is wrong. Okay. Which one is correct? You can check it. All of you. Replace the sign fastly and you do it. Mind itself, you have to do it. What is happening? Akshaya, Nitinath, Arvind, what are you doing? Tarani, Yalni. No, one by one you can do. Dilip is not doing. I don't know what he is doing also. Which is correct?
Fourth question, fourth one.
Which one is fourth? Fourth one you do. Third one you can do one. Second one you can do one. Which is correct? You can come to know. Check it. Exam you have to check it. Mind itself fastly. Which is correct? You people will never check, correct?
Second also wrong, sir.
Second also wrong. How?
4 5 is 20.
Sir, yes, sir.
You have done wrong.
Minus 20 plus 4. First 56 minus 20.
So second one wrong only, sir.
How, Amma?
2 plus 4.
Sir, correct, sir. 20 is your answer.
Huh?
Yes,
But they are given 30, sir. Wrong, sir.
correct. 52 plus 4. How much? 52 plus 4 is 56. 56 minus 20, 36.
Correct. First
Correct.
addition we
Second
have
one
to
correct.
do. Sorry, I have done minus correct here. You have to do addition. Addition. This is wrong.
Yes.
You have to do first addition. 52 plus 4, 56. 56 minus 30, 36. Minus 20. Correct. Second one is correct. Do you understand, all of you?
Have you got the same answer?
Sir, no, sir. 20 plus 24 is 24 only, no, sir.
How am I 24? This is minus, Amma.
First
Minus.
add positives only.
Positives only we have to add. Bar mass which we have to do
Yes,
what?
sir.
You understand?
Okay,
Addition
sir.
after subtraction.
That is only your mistake.
Okay, Padmarshini.
Okay, sir.
Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is it completed, all of you? Next
Sir,
question.
scroll down, sir.
Remaining also you check it. No response at all. Akshaya and all. Prasini. Completed? This question, let me see who will answer. This is the question.
Find the logic.
If you find the logic, you can understand easily. 8 into 1, which is equals to 81. 9 into 1, they are saying 900. Like that, 7 into 1, how much they are asked. If you find the logic behind here, you can find it. Same logic you can apply here.
First find the logic between 1 and 8.
1 and 8, it should come 81. How it will come? And same way, 9 and 1, it should come 100. Like the same way, if you apply 7 into 1, you will get something.
That is not into. Sure.
Something you have to do it. Can you able to say anybody? Tell me, Arvind, Akshaya. Now, for example, options also I will give you. Write the options. 50, 64, 51, 48. 50, 64, 51, 48. This is the options.
49.
49. Now you check it. This is option A, option B, option C, option D, which is correct. Now you can verify. Very simple question. You can check with the options, right? You can check with the options. You can check with the options, you can understand. Anybody? Somebody is answering. 64. Akshaya is saying 64. How, Akshaya? So now very simple logic. All of you check it. So 8.
Sir, 50. Sir, 50.
Wrong.
50 wrong.
64 is the correct answer. How it is? See, 8 plus 1 whole square. So A plus B whole square formula if you apply. What is that? 8 square plus
8 plus 1, 9. 9 square is 81.
8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 whole square. Correct or not? So 8 plus 1 whole square means 9 square. 9 square means how much? 81. Correct or not? Yes or no? Next, same way, next say 9 plus 1 whole square. 9 plus 1 means how much? 10 square, which